Good day and welcome to my biology class. My name is Teacher Scholastica. One of the basic characteristics of all living things is movement. And in every living thing, two types of movement exist: the growth movement and the non-growth movement. The non-growth movement is always triggered by an event or a factor or a change in the environment of an organism, which is called stimulus. Example of a non-growth movement is quickly removing your hand when you touch a hot object. And to quickly remove your hand when you touch a hot object, various parts of your body are involved. Your brain, neurons, muscle, skeleton, and so on. As a result, there is need for these parts of the body to be properly coordinated. In vertebrates, coordination is brought about by two systems: the endocrine system and the nervous system. In other words, the endocrine system brings about endocrine coordination, while the nervous system brings about nervous coordination. And this leads us to the topic we have today, which is nervous coordination. Lesson objectives. We have seven lessons objectives. The first one says that by the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to define nervous coordination, state the major divisions of the nervous system, briefly describe the brain, mention and explain the membranes that protect the brain, mention and explain the nervous tissues found in the brain, outline the major divisions of the brain. Lastly, describe the major divisions of the brain and state their functions. Then we start with our very first lesson objective, which is the definition of nervous coordination. But before we define nervous coordination, what is coordination in living things? In living things, coordination is the working together of various parts of the body for proper effectiveness or to produce a particular response. I repeat. In living things, coordination is the working together of various parts of the body for proper effectiveness or to produce a particular response. Having seen the definition of coordination, now let us look at the definition of nervous coordination. I will say that nervous coordination is the control and regulation of various bodily activities by the nervous system. I repeat, nervous coordination is the control and regulation of various bodily activities by the nervous system. Having seen the definition of nervous coordination, we have achieved our first lesson objective. And we go over to the second lesson objective, which says that the learner should be able to state the major divisions of the nervous system.